Hey guys, we are in Shanghai. Got Sebastian here, Hugh over my shoulder. Today we are shooting B-roll. This is the Pudong area of Shanghai. We have the big buildings, the Pearl of the Orient. We're gonna go over into the city and see the chaos and the madness over there. Today's a cold day, but it's not raining. So hope you enjoy the rest of the show.
Right now we are in the middle of the scooter district in the middle of Shanghai. So in VR it's all about finding the best location to capture the culture, to bring people there.
I'm Adam Wu. I am the Senior Development Manager of Special Olympics East Asia. Today we are in Pudong Special Education School, which is the biggest school for the children with intellectual disabilities in Shanghai. They teach children a lot, including the life skills and physical education. And the children learn a lot, including teamwork, team building, cooperation, physical skills, quite a lot from these sports.
Really cool trip. We've talked to a lot of interesting people. I think one of the most interesting things is that we started off talking about how the Special Olympics is helping the athletes, and we're finding out that the athletes are actually helping the people that surround them. We're talking with all the families and the coaches and the volunteers, and they're the ones that are grateful to be involved because they're the ones that benefit the most, which is a really interesting spin.
Hello everybody and welcome to beautiful Singapore. We are here standing in front of the iconic Marina Bay Sands, and just as we're beginning our tour around this city, we're going to introduce you to some of the people and the aspects of the culture. Right behind us, we have Dirk and Sebastian setting up for the first shot, right up nice and close to the Merlion. So one of the reasons we actually are traveling all over the place and coming to beautiful locations like Singapore is because we want to get a bit of insight into the athletes' background, their history, their communities, and what motivates them to be so determined. And it's really something we hope that you can take away from this, is to see the kind of variety and the spice of life around the world and maybe learn a little bit about other people and see how many similarities we may have with each other.
Singapore at the J4 bowling lanes. Tonight we're focusing on the Special Olympics bowling team from Singapore with a little special interview from our boy JK.
One step closer to Abu Dhabi, and this has been such an incredible, fast-paced, exciting journey all around the world. We've met some of the most incredible athletes and amazing people that are behind them, and there's just so much more to come. So thank you for allowing us to make this and to share it with you.